Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about Bootstrap 5 visibility utilities. Sometimes we want to hide an element from the screen, but we may still want it to keep its space in the layout. Bootstrap provides simple utility classes for controlling this. So let's understand them with one simple example. Now open VS Code. See, I have already created a simple example with three boxes. Let's see how the output looks. Open with live server and see output. We have three boxes. Box 1, box 2, box 3. Now, instead of creating a new example for every class, we will use this same example and simply change the Bootstrap class on box 2. This will make the difference much easier to understand. First, let's add the visible class to box 2. Visible. Here I am writing visible. Save the file and see output. As you can see, box 2 is visible. There isn't much visual difference because elements are normally visible by default. The visible class simply makes the element visible. Now, let's move to the more interesting one. I will replace visible to invisible. Save, see, output. Look at the output. Box 2 has disappeared, but notice box 3, it hasn't moved up. It's still in the same position. This tells us something important. Box 2 is hidden, but the space that box 2 was using it's still there. So invisible makes the element invisible, but it keeps its space in the layout. That's the main thing to remember about this class. Now, let's compare it with another way. Common Bootstrap class, the none. I will simply replace invisible with the none. Save this file and see output. Box 2 has disappeared, but this time something is different. Box 3 has moved up. Why? Because the none doesn't just hide box 2, it completely removes box 2 from the layout. So there is no empty space left behind. The difference is very simple. Invisible hides the element but keeps its space. The none hides the element and remove its space. So now we have seen all three classes using this same example. Let's quickly remember visible, the element is visible. Invisible, the element is hidden, but its space remains. The none, the element is hidden and its space is removed. The easiest way to remember the difference invisible, hide it, keep this space. The none, hide it, remove this space. And that's it for today's video. These utilities are very simple, but they can be really useful when you are controlling the layout of a website. I recommend trying these classes yourself and switching between them to see how the layout changes. If you enjoy this video, Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Code with Khan Developer for more beginner friendly web development tutorial. Thanks for watching.